Hello and welcome to Automotive Solutions. Today I've got a Generation 2 Toyota Prius, which is 2004 to 2009. I'm going to be changing the spark plugs. The plugs on these are going to be installing, I'm going to be putting in the NGK Iridium tip plugs. These are 100,000 mile lifespan. This vehicle's done 82,000, it's 10 years old, so I will get on and we'll get the plugs done. A little mention to my daughter who's helping me film today. Thank you, Isla. So hopefully she's keeping the camera nice and still. Okay, we'll get on with the plugs. Okay, so first got to remove this fuse box out of the way. (10mm), 2 bolts. Move that out of the way. Now we've got 4 coil packs in here which are secured by 10mm bolts. I like to get rid of the dust out of the way. These have probably never been off, been in there from new, so might be a little bit tight. Try not to drop anything down the back of the engine if we can. And while they're out, always a good idea, have a look around, see if there's any signs of cracks or tracking. They look pretty good. So, that rubber boot just stayed on there, but they can go back on there. So again, I like to blow any dirt out of the spark plug wells. And now onto plug removal. See if we can get a tool in there. Does help with one of these flexi head ratchets, makes things a lot easier getting all the spaces, but a basic toolkit you could do this. Our second one. It's a good idea to check the gap, make sure it's not damaged and closed up. We'll start by hand. Actually screw them right down to the bottom. Dark in there, can improve the light at all. Hopefully make things a bit better. That looks better, doesn't it? Yeah. third one. One more. Yep, good gap. They're pre-gap, so you don't have to change the gap. Just make sure it's not been damaged. Okay. And these are about 20 Newton meters. Just a little pinch up. Don't over tighten them, whatever you do. Fourth one. Okay, plug's done. Put the coils back in. So 10mm bolts back in, place the plugs on, the coils onto it. These don't have to be tight at all, just a little nip up. They're not going anywhere. Okay, fuse box back in place. don't have to be very tight, it's holding a bit of plastic on. And that is the spark plug change. Stay there and I shall fire her up. Change on your Generation 2 Prius, fairly straightforward, required every 100,000 miles or 10 years. Thanks to Isla for efforts in filming. Now the camera's been a little bit blurry in places, but I can't do anything about that now. Hopefully I can edit it and make it come out fairly well. And if you like this video, click like and subscribe. There's more stuff on my channel. So I will see you again soon. I'm just going to show you my little daughter Isla, who's dying to say hello.
Hi.
Thanks for filming, Isla. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Okay guys,
Bye.
see you again soon. Bye now.